Hey, hold on, guys. Hold on just a second. Hold on just a second. Trying to get this all fixed. Guys, first and foremost, first and foremost, I want to tell you guys I am sorry. I make mistakes just like everybody else makes mistakes. And I went to click out of the last screen when I was doing the live stream. And what happened is that I actually, instead of stopping screen sharing with you guys, I actually clicked the end broadcast button and shut it down. All right. I could have lied. I could have blamed it on the fact that YouTube messed up, kicked me off, whatever. But I made a mistake. I clicked the end button. All right. I'm sorry. We're back now, though. We are back. But I'm going to need your all's help with something here in just a second. All right. Here's what we got, guys. What I need to know is, does this sound horrible, or can I do this in my live streams? Right? I'm still trying to figure out how to do some live streams, so I need some help. Is that going to be horrible background music for the live stream? Does that sound horrible, or is that okay? Because I can't tell. I can't tell. Drop a 1 if it's okay. Drop a 2 if it's horrible and it's annoying. Somebody said no bueno. No bueno. Okay. I'll turn it off. I'll turn it off. All right. So once again, you guys drop some questions in the comments. Let me know what y'all are thinking, and then I'm going to be answering questions throughout the whole stream. Right, throughout the whole stream. Let me just grab something for you all real quick. Let's see. Now, what I was doing before I got off here on the last stream, what I was talking to you guys about was the crypto investing community. All right, we got close to 600 members now, and I just dropped the link to it in the comments. All right, if you have not joined, there's the link. I'll be accepting people tonight. All right, I'm going to do it tonight. I've decided. I'm going to do it tonight. All right. And what I'm actually doing for people, if y'all did not watch my video a couple days ago, what I'm doing for people is usually I give away Litecoin every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. All right. But this month, what I'm doing is I'm giving away $500 in Litecoin, but I'm doing it at the end of the month. Okay. At the end of the month. And the way you can win the free Litecoin is basically you have to be in the Facebook group, and then the contest winners are going to be the people who invite the most of their Facebook friends to come join the group. All right. Now, make sure they're into crypto, or that they want to be involved and they want to make money and they want to be in the investment space. Make sure they're interested, but then you can invite them. And the person who invites the most of their friends is actually going to win $300 in Litecoin, and then it goes down from there. All right. I keep track of who invited who. I keep track of all that. And then I'm going to announce the winner at the end of this month, the end of February. All right. We're just trying to grow our investing community. We're trying to become the biggest crypto Facebook group on Facebook, right? We're trying to become the biggest group on social media as far as crypto goes. And I know we can. It's just going to take us all pitching in together and working together. Okay. And like I said, it's a free group. So it's not like people are having to pay for it. Everybody is just feeding off of each other and gaining knowledge from one another, just posting about crypto. All right. Plus, if you hear bad news about something, you can tell everybody else the bad news you heard, what's going on. Like, how can you help other people save money and keep from investing in something that wasn't going to be good for them, right? So you can kind of protect people, and you can kind of help push people in the right direction, right? Or you can get direction. If you're a new person, and you're trying to get into crypto and don't know what to do, then you can get um, some insight, right? Somebody said, "Did you invest in Electronium?" That comes from Romel Capistrano. Yes, I did. I invested in Electronium since the ICO. It seems like it's been years ago, but I've been in since the ICO. All right. What's the difference between POS and Neo's uses? Okay, POS is proof of stake, right? POS is proof of stake. So what that means is basically you're getting paid to stake coins, right? There's not mining going on. You're getting paid for staking the coins, and they use those people that are staking coins as the way of getting everybody's transactions back and forth. If that makes sense. Somebody said I have dead money in LTC. 3 months down. Hate I bought it. What I have to say about that is that you're only going to lose if you sell right now, right? You only lose once you cash out. So that's what I have to say about that. If you want to lose, cash out. But if you don't, hold on. Bitrix account registration now start proceed individual account. I'm not sure what that means. Raybo, you need to relax. Yes, I agree, Aaron. I feel like Litecoin's gonna bounce, no doubt. Ajax, what's going on, man? What's going on, Ajax? Let's go back and look at the by Devore. It's $9. Hey, I $9 is pretty cheap. I mean, it's been $170, so $9 is definitely cheap. I've been hearing about other companies coming to invest in Devore. I don't know. I don't know. Um, does everybody know what happened with Tether? Does everybody know, or do I need to go through that? All right. Does everybody know about Tether? What's going on with Tether? Does anybody need a recap, or are you guys good on Tether? I'm straight on Tether. Good here, all over the news. Yep. I got it at $2. That's amazing, man. That is amazing. $2. Hey, I want to show you guys a funny picture real quick. Let me show you guys this picture. Let me screen share. Yeah, unfortunately, there's no good news in crypto right now. I haven't heard a bit of good news lately, but just keep holding on. Just keep holding on, guys. So what about this picture? I thought this was hilarious. This is when you buy the dip. When you buy the dip, but the dip won't stop. Oh, this made me laugh so hard today. This made me laugh so hard. I almost did it again. Almost did it again. I thought you guys would think that was funny. I saw that today and I'm like, dude, that is so true. Like when you buy the dip, but the dip won't stop. I cannot tell you guys how many times I've been looking at a coin or a cryptocurrency or whatever you want to call it. I've been looking at it at a crypto and I'm like, dude, this has got to be the bottom. The bottom is here. It can't go any lower, right? How many times have y'all bought a coin and you've been like, this thing can't go no lower? And then you look at it as soon as you buy it and it's like creeping down, creeping down. You're like, nah, it's just playing. It's going to come back. And then it's creeping down, creeping down. Before you know it, you're down like 20%. You're like, ugh. Guess I'm holding. Guess I'm gonna hold. but yeah, guys, it happens. But what I want to tell you guys is that from what I've seen, if you just hold crypto up until right now, like if you just hold, you're gonna win. If you just hold, you're gonna win. And if you don't win, then crypto is just it's going away, right? Because as Bitcoin continues to go up, continues to climb, then the altcoins are going to continue to go up with it. Now, if we come to a time in crypto where Bitcoin is not continuing to go up, I believe we might have a problem, maybe. All right, so like if Bitcoin didn't go up in the next 6 months, then I see something's going on, right? But I believe for the market to keep going up, for the market to keep progressing, Bitcoin has got to climb, or there has to be a new crypto emerge that's going to be the front runner. And I don't know what crypto that's going to be right now. Some people may have said it was Ripple at one time, but I don't believe that to be the truth. I think that was a whole bunch of hype at one time that pushed Ripple way up, but then it's fell more than anything in the last little bit. That Kermit needs a suicide hotline number. Oh, that is funny. So who all is in the crypto investing community? If you're in the group, drop a 1. Okay, if you're in the group, drop a 1. So right now we got Bitcoin at 10.2, Ethereum 1130, Ripple 116. Neo 145. Let me just look for something. All right, so I want to talk to you all about something that I heard from Trevon James today. 1, 1, 1. Awesome. I want to talk to you about something that I heard from Trevon James today. And it was the fact, and he was talking about Neo. Okay, Neo, this coin right here, number 7. He was talking about Neo, and what he was saying about Neo is something I've never heard before. All right. And this is what he was saying. He said, Neo has this thing where in 22 years, this is what he said, in 22 years, whoever's holding Neo will get the same amount of gas. All right. Whoever's holding Neo will get the same amount of gas, which gas is a whole nother cryptocurrency. All right. So it's just something to think about. If crypto goes long term, then if you look at this, so let's look at Neo. Neo's $145. Gas is $58.43. All right. But the thing is, guys, is gas is going to go up in 22 years by quite a bit, because people are going to be getting all this gas. Okay, so the supply is going to go down that's available. All right, and this will all happen at one time. So if crypto was to last long term, then Neo would definitely be something that you would capitalize on quite a bit if you were holding a lot of Neo, because you're gonna get, let's say you're holding like 100 grand in Neo, and it was still like a 1-to-3 ratio like it is right now with gas, then you'd get like $30,000 in gas. So it just depends on how you want to look at the market, right? How do you want to look at the market? Do you think it's going to go up? Do you think it's going to stick around? I mean, it just depends on what your thoughts are, right? Somebody says Neo's a joke. Yeah, I have no opinion on the coin, right? I was watching the video today. I'm just telling you guys what I heard. I'm not saying I like or dislike Neo. It doesn't matter to me. It's number 7 on CoinMarketCap. It's obviously got a shat load of money in it, almost 10 billion. So you guys can call it how you see it. Let's see what else is going on. Dash 701, Monero 276. Electronium 8.5 cents, up almost 12% today. I'm still bullish on Electronium, guys. I told you I was buying more yesterday. I'm still bullish on Electronium. I'm not quitting on Electronium by no means. All right. Still invested. Still invested. Somebody said they got Neo, Johnny Crypto. Neo's great. He said it's no joke. I got it at $7. You were holding a bag, my friend. You were holding a bag. That's like it's like 20 times your money. That's awesome. Everybody congratulate Johnny Crypto for holding Neo for that long. That is awesome. Give Johnny a big old congratulations, because he's made a shat load off of Neo. Let's see what else is going on. Yeah, so Electronium, I'm looking at getting some Electronium, no doubt. At this price, still a steal. Like I was telling you guys, it's going to be hitting 2 more exchanges, hit BTC and next dot exchange. All right. So Electronium has got a lot to go. All right, it's got a lot left in the tank. It's got a lot of news that still needs to be fulfilled. So definitely be watching Electronium. All right, and they got Michael Stellaire pushing the whole thing. He's creating a lot of momentum. So it's honestly a good time to be in crypto. Like people are so down on crypto right now. It's ridiculous. But honestly, if you miss the whole wave, let me just show you guys something. Let me just show you guys something. We're just gonna look at Bitcoin for fun. All right. We're just gonna look at Bitcoin for fun. All right. Let's get off this 1 hour, 4 hour. All right. So here's the deal, guys. This is what I'm gonna tell you all. And this is why it's a good time to be in crypto right now. If you look at Bitcoin, and this is kind of where I got in Bitcoin at. Let me move this chat real quick. I got in Bitcoin like right here, all right, 6,500. Now, I'm not telling you guys that I didn't sell it because I did sell quite a bit of it, but I got in Bitcoin right here, and I rode this thing up, right? I was here for this monster uptrend in crypto. Now, there has been people that have gotten into crypto on the back end, all right, the back end of this, and all they've seen is the backside of the mountain, right? All they've seen is it coming down the hill. Well, what this is now, if we can see Bitcoin stabilize and start to go back up, this is a time where people can be able to get in at affordable prices, right? When people were getting in at 10 at 18,000, 19,000, 17,000 in Bitcoin, it was a bad time to get in. All right? It was a bad time. But now you can see that crypto is getting to a point where it's going to be like it makes sense, right? Compared to what Bitcoin used to be, it makes sense. We've already seen Bitcoin prove itself at those higher levels. So you know that it has a lot of potential to get back to those levels. All right? So I don't view this as a tremendously bad thing. I view this as another opportunity to be doubling down, increasing your position, and an opportunity for new people to actually be able to buy into crypto at a price that makes sense. All right, that's what I see this as. ETN, what do you think about this guy's prediction? The Engine 3R. Is that a YouTuber? The Engine 3R? Johnny Crypto says, I don't think Electroneum is going to hit $1 with 1 billion coins. I don't know. I'm kind of feeling like Electroneum can hit $1. Whether it happens in a year or not, I don't know. I think if it doesn't happen in the first year, it might be hard though. All right, because they're going to have so much hype and so much news that's pushing this coin. I think if it's going to happen, it needs to happen this year. That's what I'm thinking. I'm already in the mindset that I'm going to be holding my coins throughout this year. Right, I'm just going to hold them for a year. We're going to see what happens. If it hits $1 before then, I might sell some, but I'm just kind of holding, guys. Right, I agree, Angelo. They're only on one exchange. It's a good point. Hey, Ajax, was that his prediction? $500? Was that what he said it would go to in a couple years? Yeah, $500 does not make any sense to me. If that was his prediction, that does not make any sense. Let me just go to YouTube real quick. I'm trying to find the video you're talking about. Yeah, yeah. In no way do I see Electronium ever, never, ever, ever, ever hitting $500. Never, ever, ever, ever. Yeah, I don't see it happening, guys. I don't see it happening. So what kind of question you guys got? I'm gonna give it about 5 more minutes. I'm gonna answer some questions, and we're gonna cut it for the night. Now tomorrow, what I did want to say before I got off here, tomorrow inside of the Facebook group, I'm gonna be having a big release. Okay, I've been working with a company for a couple weeks now, working on a solid mining program. Okay, a company that offers mining contracts, and it does mining contracts like nobody else has ever done mining contracts before. All right. And this is going to be crazy. And I don't think a lot of people in the crypto space even know about these contracts because nobody's pushing it on YouTube. Nobody's really like pushing this out there on YouTube, which is weird. But this company is in the United States. It follows, so that means it has to abide by the restrictions, laws, rules of what the United States has. And it's also one of the longest mining contracts I've ever seen. Right? One of the longest ones I've ever seen. Like you guys see um how like Hashflare does like the 1 year contract, and then how Genesis Mining they were doing like a lifetime contract, but it seems like they're sold out every time they come out with one. But this mining contract is extremely long, right? And I feel like everybody's going to be excited about it. And it's going to be a huge announcement tomorrow. So if you're not in the Facebook group, you need to be in there just for that announcement by itself. All right. I'll be talking about the mining contracts, be talking about what the company's all about, um, and how they mine their coins. How they do the mining is very interesting. All right. And that is something different as well. Like what coins they mine, how they mine them, how they, well, I better stop myself because if I keep talking about it, I'm gonna spill the beans. Let me stop screen sharing. I'll move you guys over here. There we go. Says Thorn Coin stakes tomorrow. I think this year is the last of getting what you can with these lending platforms, or at least half the year. Yeah, I'm not touching Thorn Coin. I've heard people talking about it. I'm not going to touch it though. There's so many programs out there that it's so many coins that it's ridiculous, right? You can't look at all the coins. You can't. It's impossible. Like if I look at everything that everybody ever throws at me, I would never be able to focus on anything. Dude, curious to hear about the future endeavor. Yeah, just make sure you're in the Facebook group because I'll be dropping the info in the group. All right. And I don't know how long they're going to do these contracts for. I mean, I don't know how many miners they have available. I'd assume quite a bit because this system is blowing up in the United States. Like it's getting to be a huge deal, but it's not on YouTube yet, and it's not actively being pushed out to the market. So I believe we're on to something here. All right, we're on to something new, and we're on to something that has been proven to have already been accepted in the United States. All right, like the company's publicly traded on the stock market in the United States. Like it's a legit company. So it's a bit different than the rest of these companies that you've experienced. And it just seems more reputable to me, is all I'm gonna say until tomorrow. All right, guys. So if y'all do not have any more questions, I'm gonna close this thing down for the night. All right. I appreciate everybody getting on here. I'll drop the Facebook link one more time in case anybody missed it. You know what, guys? If y'all missed it, what I'm going to do, it'll be in the description of this video. All right, just click it, go to the Facebook group, ask to join. I'll accept y'all, and then I'll be talking to you guys tomorrow. All right, I appreciate y'all, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next video. Peace.